Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Emerson. I'm teaching biology and chemistry. Right now, I'm about to talk. I'm about to talk about. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm teacher Emerson. Now I'm about to talk on biology lessons. I'm teaching biology and chemistry. Right now, we know that what is biology? Biology is the study of is the scientific study of life and living organisms. Living organisms including the structure, the function, the growth, origin, evolution, and distribution. So we have some ways to study biology. When we are studying, for example, cells, we say that the holy name to study cell, we say that we are studying cell biology or cytology. Is the study of cell. When we are studying a microorganism, we say microbiology. When we are studying plants, vegetable, we are studying botany. In these days, when we go to hospital, they make some test named PCR. PCR is a molecular test that detect RNA or DNA, molecular biology. When we are studying animals, we say zoology. We know Carl von Linné, the scientist who organized, named the living beings. This part of biology we call taxonomy. Mendel, I know that in your life you heard about Mendel, who studied the inheritance. The study of inheritance, we say genetics. Have you already heard about fungi? Fungi are being studied in a subject called mycology. And ecology is the study of the relationship between living beings and the environment, the not living beings or unliving beings. That's enough for today. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'm not English native. I'm trying to do my best.